out here. It's pouring. I'm about to go slide for y'all.
Yo, look at TJ's car. That shit's funny as hell. So we out here right now. We about to fuck it up, man. Salo. We about to fuck it up, man. We got a disload.
It's a low-key spot.
Yeah.
Let's see that. Let's go get it.
We gotta get the cameraman and shit. We gonna see how it's popping. Yo, popping, yo. Yo, see what you doing in there? You rolling out? Ah, don't know silente.
Difficulties right now. Tell them what's up, man. What's going on?
None. Those are fucking TikTok shit. It was like fucking bird shit, freaking me out and shit, yo.
Alright guys, so we're going to the turn right now. The last spot we were just at, my car was like gripping up and my ABS light kept coming on, so I couldn't really swing it there, but we're still getting clips for you guys. We're headed to the next spot right now. It's just pouring, so we're trying to be safe.
When we get these cars,
Alright, y'all, so the car died on me. I could tell by the way it was performing today, something was up. I think it was the alternator. We'll figure it out. The alternator is what I'm trying to say. I'm just so pissed off right now, right?
yeah, word. I had to push this bitch to this parking lot.
Yeah, because we broke down literally in the middle of Kirkwood.
Yeah.
My seat right here helped me push me over, and this other guy, thank you, shout out to you. And it's just not starting up. So Matt's gonna tow it. We're going back home. Gonna have to just kick it for a few days, and this is the life, man. This is the life of having cars. Stuff happens, you guys. So getting the tow right now. We're headed home, and we'll be back out there soon for you guys. Alright guys, so we're back in the 5-speed Accord. Literally, this is my backup car every time my G goes down. So basically I'm still waiting to find out what's wrong with the G. One of my mechanics is gonna come later and, you know, see if we can figure it out. So keep you guys posted, but we just want to let you guys, you know what's going on, because last time the G was down for some weeks, made a video about that. And let us know in the comments if you like to know, like, you know, when our cars are down and the progress and all that stuff. Just let us know what type of stuff you guys like and what you want to see more of course. Yeah, just drop that down in the comments below. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in for another episode. As you saw, we just had Jimmy pulled up, but he can't diagnose the issue right now, and honestly, I don't even know what it is right now, because the car won't even turn over. The battery's completely dead. I don't have a booster right now, so we can't even, you know, it won't even jump, honestly. But we're about to just get it towed to his shop tomorrow, and he's going to let me know what he thinks it is, and we're going to move from there. We'll definitely be back for you guys. Stuff happens, you know. That's just how I look at this. But thank you for watching, as always, and keep you guys updated on what it is. Thought it was a battery, to be honest, but we're thinking it's probably the alternator or something else. So we're just gonna, you know, take it to the shop. I'd rather not work it out on the street out here up front. It's just too small. So take it to the shop, figure out what it is. I also just want to make this last clip here to thank all the new subscribers. I really appreciate all the love. Make sure you guys keep sharing this channel with your friends, telling them subscribe, comment, like, because we're really putting in that work for you guys. And even when the cars are down, we still try to get content in. And like I said earlier, comment what you guys want to see more of. Really appreciate all the support, though. See you on the next one.